Samia Suluhu Hassan has won the election with 97 point something, like something like Tanzania Hassan wins the election. This is it. Uh, people are calling this lady uh Tanzania election President Samia Suluhu has wins by landslide amid protests. Tanzania election President Samia Suluhu has secured a sweeping election victory with 97.66% of the vote, according to official results announced on the state television. This is ridiculous. A lot of people they had some comments. A lot of people have contested this. Look at Chadema party claims 100 killed in post-poll clashes, but Samia Suluhu Hassan has won this. And this guy, this is Larry, is Kenyan. He always report everywhere, but he says that they'll never allow him to report from Tanzania because when they don't allow a journalist from CNN and he's also Kenyan, because Tanzania and Kenya, it's just a small border. He knows a lot about Tanzania. This guy cannot be allowed to go in Tanzania and report. So he's not covered. He might be kidnapped if he goes there. He said that himself. CNN correspondent Larry Madowo shares his reason for not covering the ongoing protests in Tanzania because of all that blah, blah, blah. There is no such things in Tanzania. There is no democracy. And the people are actually really complaining. This is the first time we see a black female dictator, and it's a joke, actually. Listen to this.
200 people have allegedly been. Guys, I never thought a day would come that I would see a woman be the dictator in Africa. But this president of Tanzania is like, this woman is crazy. Have you been following all that is happening? More than 700 people have allegedly been killed between Wednesday and now, since they started protesting the election they had this Wednesday. This woman, Samia Suluhu Hassan, 65 years old, she started out doing well after they made her president when their
It's Samia Suluhu Hassan.
former president Magufuli died. She released the journalist that Magufuli had jailed. She allowed press freedom. She released the opposition members that Magufuli had jailed. But then at some point, people realized, wait a minute, it's like you can't say anything bad about the president. They realized that people were missing, especially opposition. Anybody that says anything that she doesn't like, people were going missing. They started arresting opposition members. They were jailing people. Young people were being tortured.
This is ridiculous. I don't know. I don't know. Is anybody in Tanzania there? Like the last time, the video that trended on AMKA podcast, it's actually trended in Tanzania, in Kenya, and Zambia. So I know a lot of people are watching this in Kenya, Tanzania, and Zambia, South Africa, Nigeria, Botswana. Yeah, I got you, my people from Botswana. I don't understand. Transparent elections in Africa never actually happen, and this is the reason why Africa is always behind politically. Bad and worse governance in the entire world. Let's be honest. We cannot lie to each other. Just like things like this, Samia Suluhu Hassan, and I'm trying to thinking that she killed Magufuli because Magufuli was one of the Tanzania's best presidents that they've never had. The innovations, the infrastructure, everything, every good things of Tanzania happened when Magufuli was the president. Beside of Jakaya Kikwete, he used to be one of the good presidents. Beside of Julius Nyerere, I mean, Magufuli was one of the best presidents. And now we understand the reason why they killed him. And this lady, she's more than a viper. What she agreed to do, look, it's not just her, but the board member, the counseling members that's creating chaos so they can maintain the power. There is something big. It's really, really, really big. And now Tanzania is not going to be in peace anymore. Tanzania is known as the peaceful country in Africa, in East Africa. All right. Zanzibar is one of the biggest destination in Africa. If it's not number one, number two, it's got to be number three. And last time I checked the reports, what Zanzibar had to bring to Tanzania's economy was over something like 2.5 billions. All right, just like for 2024, in the last 5 years was like over 10 billions in tourism revenue. So, and now this lady, they are trending on the news everywhere. This is very bad. It's very bad. Let me just read some a few comments, and then we're gonna end up like that. And if you're in Tanzania, please come away uko Tanzania. Drop a comment below. Tuambie kuna fanyika kitu gani Tanzania, and so people can know. Like, let us know what's going on in Tanzania. What a man can do, a woman can do better. Oh my goodness. To be born again is the greatest blessing that will ever come to us in this world. Accept Jesus Christ now before it's too late. I am Tanzanian and this is true, right? Tanzanian and this is true. Kudos to Kenyans for always looking out for their neighboring countries. Kenyan people, they had to jump the border so they can go fight these atrocities in Tanzania, and they have done it. They have done it. All right, guys. Let's pray for Africa. Let's pray for Tanzania. Let's pray for Nigeria. If you're in Nigeria, tell us why Muslims and terrorists are killing Christians. Can the Muslim community of Nigeria just step up once and say Boko Haram or Al Shabaab or whatever? Please stop this nonsense that you are making. You are killing Nigerians, right? We are Nigerians. We are Africans. There is no white people or Arabs religions that is gonna come and make us fight. Can you guys please preach that? All right, guys, if you like this video, please hit the button, subscribe, activate that bell notification, share this video, share the message through your WhatsApp story so people can hear the message, people can follow, and people can practice. There is no religion that's gonna make us fight. Let us believe in our beliefs and let us respect each and everyone's beliefs, right? Guys, please like the video, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you, and take care of yourself and stay peaceful.